This short lesson will be to go over how to do a memorandum, or for short, memo, in BPA style. So the first thing I like to do is look at my style and reference manual, which is this. This is the 17th page of the PDF. And you can see it gives guidelines for margins. So we'll have side margins and top margin. All of it is 1 inch. And we'll want to use bold font for these headings, 16-point bold for the memorandum, and then 12-point bold for to, from, CC, date, and subject. And CC means copy. So the very first thing I'll do over on my Word document is I'm going to click no spacing, and I'm going to do Times New Roman, and then I'm going to go size 12. So I'm going to start by typing memorandum, and then enter, because there's a double space. To, enter, from, enter, CC, enter, date, enter, subject. Notice it's all in caps. This is supposed to be 16-point font, so I'll highlight it and change my font size to 16. And it's also bold. I'm going to go ahead and wait after I type this information in to go back and bold those headings. Otherwise, I'll just be fighting that bold the whole way through. So now let's take a look at our assignment. So it says to key the following memo to all company personnel. So in to, it is to all company personnel. Remember, memos are something that's just sort of an inter-office communication. And this is from, they had a typo, from Julie Smith, manager. Human resources. Okay, today's date is June 20. I'm doing it on June 22nd. You put obviously the date that you are completing this project. CC means copy to, and it says send a copy to Nancy Wells, CEO. So we type her name in here. And the subject. Okay, with a subject of Employee Wellness Center. So this is really just all about picking the correct information out to fit into this format. All right, so now we'll go ahead and just type this memo. There has been a great deal of interest regarding, I'm going to keep typing this, pause it, and then we'll resume after I finish the typing so we can go over the rest of the formatting. Okay, so I finished typing in the text of this memo. So the next thing I'll want to do is check my style and reference manual, again, to make sure that my formatting is correct. So now I'll go back and I'll highlight the word to. We'll go ahead and bold that. We'll bold from. This didn't get bolded. We'll bold copy to. We'll bold date. And we'll bold subject. See, these are all still 12-point, right? Yes. And this was 16, so that's correct. Now you can see that they have tabbed over here. So it's important for us to click in ahead of this text and tab it over, and maybe even one more time so that it is all aligned with each other. Now it looks like theirs. Okay, so after their memo, let's see where the bottom is. the end of it, they double space, and then you put your initials. So there's the end of the memo, the double space, I'll put my initials, and then if there was any enclosures or attachments, I would list them. Okay, notice if there are subsequent pages, how you should do this. So, I believe we're done. I don't believe there were enclosures or attachments, but we will double check our assignment. Key in this memo. Nope, that would be it. So that is how to complete a memo in the BPA format. I hope that this short lesson will help you with these interoffice documents.